In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer Google Calendar to another Gmail account. Transferring your Google Calendar can sometimes seem daunting, but with these easy-to-follow steps, you'll find it's quite straightforward. First, let's start by ensuring you're logged into your current Google account, the one that holds the calendar you want to transfer. Open your web browser and go to Google Calendar. Once you're in, navigate to the left side of the screen where you can see your list of calendars. Hover over the calendar you wish to transfer. You'll notice 3 vertical dots appear. Click on them. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings and Sharing. Now that you're in the Settings menu, you'll see various options. What we want here is the option to export. This will allow you to download your entire calendar so that we can easily migrate it to the new account. Click on Export Calendar and a file will be saved to your computer, typically in a zip format containing an .ics file. Remember where this file is saved, as you'll need it for the next part. Next, you'll want to switch to the Gmail account into which you're transferring the calendar. If you haven't logged into this account yet, go ahead and do so now. Once you're signed into this new account, navigate to Google Calendar, just like you did earlier. On the left side, you'll see an option labeled Other Calendars. Click on the plus sign next to it and then choose Import. You'll see an option to upload a file here, which is where that .ics file comes in. Click on Select File from your computer and locate the downloaded .ics file from the previous step. Choose the file to upload it. Before you proceed, double-check that you've selected the correct calendar where this will be imported. When you're ready, hit Import. Wait a few moments, and congratulations, your calendar has now been successfully imported into your new Gmail account. To ensure everything has been transferred accurately, scroll through your calendar in the new account. Look at a few events to verify that the details are correct. It's always a good practice to double-check things like event titles, times, and any other important information that you don't want to lose. And there you have it, you've successfully transferred your Google Calendar from one Gmail account to another. It can be useful to familiarize yourself with these tools because managing multiple calendars becomes so much easier once you know the ins and outs. Feel free to revisit these steps anytime you need a refresher. I hope this guide has been helpful. Make sure to like the video if it was useful, and subscribe for more how-to content. Thank you so much for watching and happy scheduling.